Hello and welcome to today's video on two different ways you can provide biometric information to UKVI which must be provided after you submit your application. Biometric information refers to a facial photograph and fingerprints. The normal route is to attend an appointment to have this done, but some applicants can choose to use the ID Check app. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. So option 1, which is standard biometric appointment. The standard method of providing your biometric information is to attend an appointment. After you submit your application, you will be taken to a link to book your appointment, which will then take you to the provider's website. There are different providers for different countries, but all share similar processes. You must first choose which center is most convenient for you to attend and then choose the best date and time for yourself. There can be limited availability, but there will be the option to pay for an earlier appointment or one in prime time if this is something you wish to do. Once you have selected your appointment time, you must then upload your supporting documents. This is a very important step, as without them it's unlikely your application will succeed. You can check which documents you need to upload by using the document checklist that will have been provided after you have submitted your application. Now, depending on which provider governs the biometric appointment, you may only have one chance to upload your document. So please be very careful and make sure you are selecting the correct ones. Once you have booked your appointment, you will receive a booking confirmation via email. You must take this for your appointment along with certain other documents like your passport, BRP if applicable. Aim to be 15 minutes early to your appointment. At the center, the staff will check that your application has been submitted and that your documents have been uploaded properly before taking your photographs and fingerprints. Now option 2, which is the ID Check app. The other route is to use the ID Check app route. Currently, only adult migrants already in the UK with a BRP and nationals of certain European countries can use this option. Instead of attending an appointment, UKVI will take your biometric information from your passport. You must use the app to scan your document, either your BRP or passport. The app will then direct you to scan your face and take a photo. Your application will then be linked to biometric information and then you can complete it as normal. It's a slightly different form from the normal biometric appointment form, but most of the information required is the same. When you submit your application, you will be directed to upload any required supporting evidence. Much less evidence is needed to be uploaded than with the biometric appointment. The agenda 3 is eVisas. We will end this video with a short note on eVisas. Currently, no matter the route you use, you will receive a BRP as evidence of your valid UK visa. However, all new BRPs now have an expiry date of 31st December 2024, no matter your actual end date. This is because they are being replaced by eVisas, so you will no longer have a physical document to show that you can stay in the UK. If you have a BRP and a visa that extends beyond 2024, UKVI will contact you this year to tell you how to set up your online UK visa account and activate your eVisa. So in today's video, we have covered two main ways you can provide biometric information as part of your UK visa application, as well as how eVisa will replace BRPs during 2024. Can I ask you all a favor? If you enjoy this content, could you please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? It helps us massively and I appreciate you all. Do you need help with your UK immigration matter? If yes, please complete a short inquiry form which you will find in the description section below now. Thank you for watching. Do you need help? If yes, contact us on this number which is on your screen or fill a short inquiry form which is in the description section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more content on live in the UK test.